Dear students, today in this video I am going to discuss about expenditure method. So this method has been developed from the definition given by Professor Fisher. In this method, national income is measured by adding up the total monetary expenditure which are incurred on goods and services. This may be incurred by individuals, families, firms, or even by government during a year. So following points are to be considered while calculating national income by expenditure method. First point is four factors of monetary expenditure. In that, first one is consumption expenditure. So all those expenditure which are incurred on durable goods like scooter, car, TV, also on perishable goods like food grains, fruits and vegetables, and even on services like education, transportation and communication. All those expenses are included over here. Next point is investment expenditure. So whatever expenditure is incurred on building of a factory, plant and machinery, all those expenditures are also included over here. Similarly, government expenditure, just like citizens, all those expenditures which are incurred by government, such as consumption expenditure, investment expenditure, even administrative expenditure, maybe by central government, state government, or even by local governments, are included over here. Last one is net export expenditure. So the expenditure on import of foreign goods by the citizen of a country, that is the expenditure of the country. Similarly, our export is the expenditure by foreign citizens because that is their import. So the difference between these two is the net export, and this is also included in national income. Now next one is expenditure which are not considered in national income. There are certain expenditure again which are not included over here. Say for example, expenditure on purchase of second hand goods, also the transfer payments like pension, unemployment allowance, financial assistance to widows and so on, because these are some of the expenditure which are incurred without the production of goods and services, and therefore it involves only a transfer of money expenditure, just like subsidy. So these are not considered in national income. Lastly, difficulty in calculating national income. The problem is that the official data of people's expenditure cannot be obtained, and therefore it becomes difficult to calculate national income even by this method. Also, the problem of double counting arises in this method of calculating national income. So this also creates a difficulty in calculating national income by this method. So with this I end up this topic as well as chapter. Thank you, students.